In this video, I'm going to show you how to set a budget inside your Google Play Store. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, what we want to do is open up our Play Store. And now we'll be taken to the Games tab. Now from here, we need to click onto our user profile, top right hand corner of the page. Now we need to click onto Payments and Subscriptions. And then we need to click on Budget and History, the third option. And now once we're inside here, you can see your budget. So at the moment it's set to $0 on my device. So to set a budget, click on Set Budget. And now I just change that by adding in a budget. So if you want to set a budget of $100. So what this means, choose an amount for your monthly budget. It won't stop any purchases, but it will let you know when you get close to that amount. Your monthly budget history is tracked in your Google account, but it's automatically removed after 1 year. So if you want to set a $100 budget, go ahead and click on Save. Now if we go back, it will say here, budget of $100.